I'm Liz Miller. I'm the director of the Division of Adolescent and Young Adult Medicine at UPMC Children's Hospital of Pittsburgh. And it is my pleasure and privilege to talk about our new space, what we call our Center for Adolescent and Young Adult Health. Why be so excited about new space? In addition to being beautiful, it is really, truly amazing that we as a children's hospital have made a firm commitment to taking care of adolescents and young adults. Our hope by being in this new space that includes not only clinical services, but also our research program, that we will be at the forefront of adolescent and young adult care in the U.S.